You guys. What the hell? Holy. You know what I mean? YouTube live control panel. Oh, fuck. No, I'm not gonna do that. Is that really all I... jeez. I thought there was supposed to be like a fucking, you know what I'm fucking... Isn't there supposed to be a fucking... Hold on, let me try this. Let's see here. Okay, this is blank. So that means I can't see anything that anybody says to me. So that's the kind of stream it's gonna be. No, I guess I could pull it up on here. Yeah. I could just like mute this. Let's see, will it show up on my channel? No, yep. Okay. Here we go. Now it's the stream within a stream. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm going to say in the chat, hello chat. I hope we all have a good time. Forever. That's great. Say, this is actually a lot of fun. This is actually really nice. I'm really enjoying this right now. Okay, so I'll head over here and look at the chat periodically. Like once or twice an hour. You know, want to make sure that I'm seeing what everybody's saying. Go ahead and close Discord for now. Let's see, what do we got? Okay, yep. Alright, so I'm making a piano roll. Google piano rolls, if you don't know what a piano roll is. But basically a piano roll, let's actually pull it up here. Yeah, so this is our piano roll we have so far. You know, we've got the piano bar, and we've got the time bar that has the time markers. We have a play button that I haven't gotten working yet, because programming is very scary. It's actually a very bad activity. Please do not do that. Programming, that is. Let's go to dock this to the right. Yeah, we got our piano roll. You know, it's made of these various things. Let's check out the note grid frame. Now we've got the backdrop, which is the drawing of the grid back there. Oh. Got the note grid container, which is just all these buttons. You see the buttons? Are you looking at all the buttons? Okay. Let's see what the chat has to say. Oh, nothing. Okay. Very good. Got the playhead. You know, this is crucial actually. So I've got it so I can press space. I've got a little playhead going here. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, so we got a little playhead. I can also stop it. Yeah. It's really good. It's really good. We have a million more features to implement, but like for example, I'm trying to make this like play stop button area thing where you click it and it plays, like what spacebar is doing. Then eventually I'm gonna add a synthesizer thing. Yeah. Let's see what chat has to say. Okay, chat isn't saying anything. All right, so I have that issue, but also the code's really ugly. This class has gotten really fucked up. It's really fucked up. It's really scary. Sorry for cursing so much, by the way. I have nightmare syndrome. Okay, so oh yeah, one of the other things I was trying to implement is note selection, but yeah, we got quite a few things on the to-do list here. So basically what I want to do is the very first item here that says clean up code. Because this shit's fucked up. I mean, we got some classes. We got the note class. I mean, come on. But look at this. This is just too much stuff. This is just too much. Like, what's the logic behind this? Like, I don't... Ew. Let's see what chat has to say about that. Oh, XM64 says hello. Hello, XM64. Welcome to the stream. You're going to be watching this for a couple hours, so if you need to go to the bathroom right now, I'd understand. Because, yeah, we're in it for the long haul here. So, Oh, wait, wrong window. So we need to break this up into other classes, right? Like I don't need to shove everything into the piano roll class. Piano roll class is going to be like the main one, of course. I don't know. I also want to make this into like a series of little like web applets, so maybe it'd be good to have another container class. But anyways, so I do have a couple things made into classes. Well, really just one thing. Well, two. But yeah, the playhead, which is the actual graphic that you see when you press spacebar. Yeah. So this is encapsulated in a class. It's basically a whole canvas that is placed right here over everything else. Let's see what chat has to say about that. I'm on the edge of my wheelchair. Well, that's great. All right, so yeah, there's just a canvas and an animation, and yeah. But I want to do that for other things too, not just the playhead, but like, I don't know, even the transport controls, for example, the play/stop button, that should be, I don't know, transport class. Actually, let's do that right now. Hold on. Class, transport. Can I just do that? Yeah. Okay. I guess I don't actually have it figured out yet. Maybe I shouldn't prioritize that because that currently isn't even working. It's not even throwing an error. Let me do something that I already have worked out. So what are the components? There's the, let's just look at it in here. So there's the main piano roll frame, time bar, piano bar, note grid. I see. I could make the note grid its own class. Could do that. Yes, perchance. But if I'm going to make something its own class, I should have some sort of like reason for it. Why do you encapsulate things? I don't know how programming works. Let's see what the chat has to say about that. Okay, chat isn't saying anything. Holy crap, we have 2 viewers. Wow, pretty sure one of them is me. All right, so I don't actually know. How do I clean this up? Because this is just too much. It's just like too much information about different things. Yeah, I don't like that. That's not good. I gotta encapsulate some of this in some way. And how do I pass data in between these different classes? That's something I've been trying to work out. Like when you have like a composite, what is it called? A composite pattern? No, I don't. I think that's a more particular thing. I just mean like when you use composition, like you have a class that contains other classes as field elements, whatever the fuck they're called. I don't know. Like I have a playhead right here. A playhead object within the piano roll object. Yes. Yes. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna have, yeah, a note grid object. So let me do, oh my god, that's loud. Let me do class note grid. Yeah, okay. So class note grid, what the fuck is that gonna have? Jesus Christ, holy shit. What is that gonna have? Well, what's all part of the note grid? It's easier to look at it through here, so I could just look at the IDs I put on everything. So we have the note grid frame, you know. Then we have backdrop, note grid, playhead. Okay. So backdrop, note grid, playhead, everything to do with those, I guess. So what would that even? Because, like, okay, one of the things I'm trying to figure out is, like, What information do I store in the class's state versus information that's just, or I should say the object state, versus information that's just passed to the object in method, function, whatever calls? A very interesting question. Let's see what chat has to say about it. Okay, nothing. Wow, 3 viewers. Holy shit. Okay, so I don't really know, if I'm being honest with you. I don't really know. What am I... So I guess I'm going to have a canvas size thing. Hold on. What are my setters and getters? Should probably use the outline thing for this. Let's see, piano roll. Oh god. Oh, there they are. Yeah. Okay, so this is how I get canvas height and width. I'm gonna have to pass that on. You know what, let me go ahead and split screen this. Literally the only reason I'm streaming right now is because this is like kind of like a substitute for body doubling, like having somebody else there to help me focus on something, except this is like some weird digital version of it. Shit's crazy. Oh man, canvas height, canvas width. Oh, canvas this, canvas that. Why is there so much information? This is what I don't understand about programming. It's like there should only ever be like 4 or 5 things total in any activity. You know what I mean? So something like this is just like, good grief, like reel it in, guys. Like, come on, this is too many. It's just too many symbols. It's too much text. You know, just a lot of information. And nothing needs to be described with this much detail. That's the thing you begin to realize when you become intelligent, is that none of this needs to be described with this much detail, which is actually a very profound point. Let's see what the chat has to say about this. Wow, 4 people watching. I don't really care, though. Okay, so, oh, that's the wrong window. Okay, so now I've looked at this. We've got the canvas height. We've got the canvas width. So I guess what we're going to do, we're just going to have the same things here, guys. So what we're going to do is canvas height number. Oh, that's a period. Canvas width number. There we go. We got some numbers in here, guys. It's got a canvas height and a canvas width. Super extreme, very fucking terrifying. Sorry for cursing. Okay, so I guess I should be looking down here. The split screen thing is getting a little confusing, actually. What are these errors I'm getting? Property canvas height has no initial. Oh, shut up. Oh, who cares? Expected equal? What are you talking about? This game's scary. This game's weird. Okay, and here's the thing, I hate programming. It's a terrible activity. It's like, why do people not, so let alone the whole thing with the amount of information. It's like not just that, but also like it's kind of passive aggressive, you know, programming. I mean, really, it's kind of passive aggressive. Put the backdrop in there. I guess we're going to do HTML. Oh, wait. Oh. Note grid. I'm just fucking copying these. Playhead too, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Playhead. I guess. Yeah, that would be part of the note grid. Well. Oh. Maybe not. Maybe I won't do that. Because I was considering, currently the playhead only exists within the note grid. It's not on the piano bar. It's not on the I call this the time bar up here. It's currently not on either of those, but I do actually want to put it up there as well. It's just kind of complicated because I'd have to also create a layer up here as well. Yeah. So if I'm going to do that, then I shouldn't put the playhead within the note grid object. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to keep that as its own thing, and it's just going to do that in its own class. Okay, note grid, not playhead. So not that. Notes frame? I guess it would be notes frame. Notes frame, div element. Just trying to get all the data that is in this region of the app, whatever. Okay, good. Notes frame. We definitely want to know the canvas height and the canvas width. Backdrop, note grid. Does it need to? Just trying to figure out what information it actually needs to know. Okay, whole frame, notes frame. All right. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Actually, why am I putting commas? What's wrong with me? I think I'm going insane. I think I'm going fucking insane. Let's get our constructor in there. What do we want? What do we want in the constructor? Are we passing? Yeah, we're going to be passing the... guess we don't need to pass the notes frame, do we? Boing. I wonder. I'm thinking about too many things at once. I have 80 HD. Let's see what chat has to say about that. You got Spomsh saying, hi, what are you programming or something? Wait, that's music stuff. And then XM64 says, is this a web music tracker? And then Balsamic Row question mark says the streamer. That's crazy. Yes to all those questions. It's not a web music tracker. It's a piano roll. It's a web piano roll. I'm making it in JavaScript. Well, now I've moved over to TypeScript because I like typing things on my computer. I'm a typer. Yeah. Can't even interact with these notes yet, though. I want to be able to, like, shift click to select multiple and, like, click and drag to make a selection box, and it selects the notes in the box. All that stuff. Yeah. Yeah. It's good. It's good to be good. So, anyways, I'm trying to break things down into smaller classes right now. Trying to get closer to that single, what is it? The single responsibility principle, whatever. The single, it's got a name like the single, the one, it's like the one thing, the thing does one thing. It's something like that. I'm pretty sure it's something like the one thing that the thing is the one. And it's, I don't know how to explain it, but it actually makes a lot of sense, and it makes a lot of things really fucking clear. So I think basically all we're going to be doing here, we're going to have our notes frame HTML. This is so redundant. Actually, isn't there like a thing? Isn't there a thing where you don't have to type all this shit out because it just like automatically... Isn't there a thing like that? Whatever. I'm going to do it tediously. There's probably a better way to do this, but this is fun. This is totally sane. Typing all this out again. Backdrop. It's so long. Note grid. What is that? It's a div. HTML div element. Yeah, that's normal. Oh, I hate this. There's got to be a better syntax for this. Notes frame. Oh, I hate this. I hate this. Why am I doing this? There's got to be a better way. I hate this. I've been getting used to using camel case again. Haven't used that in a while. It's just back when I used JavaScript for like processing and stuff. Is that it? What am I doing? Ah, fuck. I have to. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Time bar frame, piano frame. Because I guess really I'm gonna move a bunch of this. Yeah. No. Fuck. How am I gonna do this? If I'm gonna have different parts like this, like how am I doing it for the playhead? What am I doing on the playhead thing? This dot playhead. Then I said notes. Okay, so I'm doing that in here. I know what I'm saying out loud right now. It makes no sense. I'm doing head thought thinking in the head and the thought head. Let's see what chat has to say about that. Too complicated for your mind. No, that's not true. You're actually a genius. You just need to follow the 10 steps. Just follow the 10 steps. Stick to the 10 steps. You're going to become an unlocked genius. And then Balsamic Rose says, the typer. Yeah, good. Streaming is helping me focus on this right now. Okay. Okay, so, I guess I could do it like that. Yeah. Okay. So basically what I was just working on in my head is like where I'm going to store all these different HTML elements. 'Cause, you know, like you make HTML with JavaScript, you like put it into an object. So I'm going document.create element div that creates a div element, an HTML div element, and to actually add it to the page document, you have to refer to the document or something on the document, and you have to append it to it. Like for example, where is it? Whole frame, whatever the fuck. See, this is all so confusing to browse around. It's already so much. So like this, the body thing right here, dot append, means I'm appending it to the body of the HTML document. And so anything that's then within this object, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so they make this like crazy code. It's like kind of like a language almost. And like it makes people go insane, I've noticed. It's really fucking scary, dude. It's really fucking scary. So I guess now what I'm going to do is first I'll start with the notes frame thing. So the thing is, I'm still working out how I'm going to attach whatever I make, because I'm encapsulating all this stuff that's in this region of the applet. Calling it an applet now. That's in this region, and I'm giving it its own object, its own class to do everything in, to clean up the overall piano roll code. But I need to attach it to the fucking HTML elements in the overall piano roll class thing. I'm like, how do I pass that? How do I pass this? I guess I could pass it as an element, like a reference. Maybe. Whatever, I could just refer to it somewhere. Alright, I'm confused. Where am I? Yeah, programming is really scary. I wish it wasn't legal. That's my problem with it. Because I feel like programming is intense. It makes people dissociate. Have you guys heard about this? Makes people dissociate. A lot of really bad things start happening. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's really scary, this stuff I'm reading about. You know, the dissociating. Let's see what chat has to say about this. The thinker. Oh. I assume this refers to me. So, let's see what we have to see here. Okay. I'm going to copy this line of code. Notes frame. Okay, we're one step closer. So what I think I'm going to do... Well, let me think about this. Let me really fucking think about this. And guys, I'm really going to have to fucking think about this. This is actually the hardest programming challenge. This is actually the hardest fucking programming challenge. And it's actually really starting to concern me. Because usually every single thing that I try is incredibly easy, but this is the very first time I've ever been stumped by something in my entire life. And it's actually really fucking terrifying. So let me really think about this. Because this is really starting to worry me. I mean, guys, I don't want to worry you. But this is really starting to fucking worry me. Okay, do you understand what I'm trying to say here? Because this is just ridiculous. It's too much text. There's too much going on. We've got the note grid object, but let's see what chat has to say about it. The dissociator. 27 minutes. We've been streaming for 27 minutes. Okay, let's keep going. So, we create the notes frame. We can do that. So I can actually just decide to keep these same methods. Just paste them in here. I think. This dot... Oh, fucking hell. Ugh. So... I don't like this. I don't like this. This is really upsetting to me. So we're going to have to pass a piano roll object. So I'm thinking, and this feels like a weird pattern to me, right? Is this like a weird thing? Am I weird for doing this? I don't know. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm crazy, but let's try it. Piano roll. We'll call it. Maybe this is, I don't know. Piano roll. Okay. This might be a bad, what are they, a bad code smell or whatever? I don't know. Roll. Okay. And so what I'm thinking here is you pass the piano roll to the note grid. So within the note grid, whenever you want to access stuff from the piano roll, you can be like, hey, piano roll, this gives you a way to, yeah, whatever. Okay, so actually that does make things better, I think. Whatever. I'm still working out this whole... Okay, so we're just going to use the create notes frame thing. And this time, we're going to be like this... Oh, this is so verbose. We're going to say... time bar height. So that would be part of the piano roll. There we go. Piano bar width. Yep, another piano roll thing. Frame width, frame height. Yeah, that's a piano roll thing. Okay. All right. So this dot, we could say this dot piano roll dot whole frame, I guess. Oh, this is so wordy. Let's see what chat has to say about it. The thinker, the dissociator, the worrier. You're really starting to get on my anti-nerves, which means I like you a lot. Okay, so now we can just call, this dot create notes frames. That little pound sign thing I'm using, hashtag, whatever. That denotes a private method or field or whatever the fuck. Okay, so what are we doing? So I did piano bar frame. No, not piano bar. I did notes frame. Should I just delete these? Keep them there for now. Transport, time bar, piano bar. Okay, so now we have backdrop. If you can imagine such a fucking thing. Create piano grid. Yeah, whatever. I'm getting really mad at everything. Getting really freaking pissed off, if I'm being honest with you. Am I deleting them now? I guess I'm just deleting them now. Whatever. I changed my mind. Create frame. When I talk like this, I feel like Dr. House. Oh, cute. You think it's leukemia. It's actually anti-cancer. Let's see what chat has to say about that house impression. Oh, no remarks. Okay, I'll let you guys catch up. I'll let you finish processing. Guys. No worries. Okay, I guess I'll just fucking notes frame, yeah. Yeah, this game's weird, guys. This game's really fucking weird. This game's just really fucking stressing me out is all I'm trying to say to you. If you'll even listen. If you'll even listen to me. Jesus Christ, look at me. Notes frame. Okay, so we take this out. We're getting there, guys. I keep scrolling around. I'm not making use of my thingy. Makes me very scary. This dot create notes frame. Wait, why is it grayed out? Wait, did I just... I'm so silly. I was supposed to go to the backdrop. Okay. That's a lot of stuff, guys. Type 27,000 in the chat if you think this is a lot of stuff. I think we're about to be seeing a lot of 27,000s in the chat. Okay, this dot, what do we got? This dot notes frame dot append. Yeah, okay. That sounds right. This dot backdrop. Beep, beep, beep. So this dot, gotta go through all this and change it. Strokes out. This dot piano roll dot beat draw count. This dot piano roll. Oh my god. This isn't tedious. This is not tedious. I've seen tedious. This is not tedious. Believe me. I've done tedious. This is normal. This is nothing. This is nothing, believe you me. Okay, yeah, this dot canvas height, yep. Yeah, okay. So why is it saying that it's not this dot notes frame? Oh, frames. Doi. Okay. All right, that's two of them. I'm going to actually use this time. Draw notes, that's the next one. Let me go ahead and just collapse all the ones that I'm not dealing with right now. Yes. Oh, sync scrolling. How's that going to change things? I think it'll be fine. Create piano bar frame. Yes. Whole frame. Yes. Yes. Okay. Transporting. Yes. Okay. So notes. Playhead will stay as is. So we've got piano roll. We've got notes frame. Actually, why am I even... I don't need to pass all those. In fact, why am I even passing a lot of these? Canvas height, canvas width. If I'm passing piano roll, technically I don't really have to pass these. Again, I've got a feeling this is like a bad pattern. But whatever, I'm going to just do it. Okay, backdrop, note grid, no. No, why did I even... Okay. Yep, just bringing in the piano roll reference. Okay, let's see what chat has to say about that. The Worrier, the house. Yes. That's the 127th correct thing you've said all day. Interesting. Oh yeah, I didn't even fucking... I remember I was writing all those earlier and I was like, oh man, there's got to be a less tedious way to do it. I didn't even need to do that. I'm scary, man. I'm actually very fucking scary. Like, no lie, I am actually very fucking scary. Yeah, so I don't even need to store canvas height or width. Yeah. Yeah, so far this is looking good. Draw notes, I have to put that in there. So draw notes. Yeah, this is going to make the piano roll class a lot less cluttered. Starting to get a feel for this. I hope it's not fucked up and bullshit design, but we'll see. Okay, this dot no grid, blah, this dot notes frame, yep. If not this dot piano roll dot notes set. This dot piano roll. There we go. Oops. Okay, now I have to add in all the piano roll references. This dot piano roll. Like, is that a bad thing to like, or is that just like a normal thing? I literally don't know fucking jack shit about object-oriented design patterns. Like, if you have like an object that's composed of several other objects, like, is it normal to like pass a reference to a parent object? It seems useful. I just don't know, like, this paranoid part of my mind that's like, what if that's like something that creates a bunch of bugs somehow? I don't know. I guess I'll find out. This dot notes frame pen. What the hell's going on with all this? So that is fine. That is fine. Piano roll dot 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 piano roll dot. I love piano roll dot. I love piano roll dot. Oh, another piano roll dot. Style. Oh, piano roll dot. This dot note grid, a pen note. Okay. All right. Piano bar, nah. Scroll to first note. Okay, so how am I doing this now? So I've basically... Wait, hold on. That is that... this dot note frame dot... What's going on here? So I guess that would be like note grid dot notes frame dot append. Is that how I do it? I guess that is. Yeah. Okay, what is going on here? Draw, backdrop. So this dot... Oh, yeah. I forgot. Piano roll dot. Okay. So we got more of them? Oh my god. Looks like I missed a bunch of stuff. Holy shit. So I guess I can remove a lot of these now. Note height. Piano bar. No, wait, I want that one. These two I don't want. Oh, I guess I have to put that in there now. I still got to clean a lot of this up. Note grid. Note grid. Yeah, it still needs a lot of cleaning up. But it's going to make it a lot easier to work on. Such is the case with fucking refactoring. Makes it fucking easier. Let's see what Chad has to say about that. You can do anything if it works. That's actually not true. You fucking fool. Sorry for being honest. I love you. Okay, so I guess I will do this. Well, create note grid. Yeah, whatever. This dot note grid equals new note grid. This. Yeah? Is that how I do it? This dot notes frame. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna have to be like this dot note grid dot notes frame, right? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that for all these. It's like fucking piano roll dot all over again. Jeez Louise. Piano bar frame, blah blah, notes frame. Ay 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 ay. I'll figure something out that's real clean. Yes, yes. Okay, notes frame. Another one? Oh, yep. Notes frame. Okay, alright. So I think I've got that. It doesn't look that much better. That's how fucked up it was. Yeah, this is why this is a very good example of when you need to refactor, because like a class shouldn't fucking look like this. It just shouldn't. It's just too much stuff. It's just too much fucking. How can you read this? Okay. But now I have this note grid object. See? I've encapsulated all that into something that feels a lot more appropriately sized. You know, we've got like, what, 4 fields, got some private methods. Yeah. And it's easier to digest. So let's see if it works. That's the one thing we got to do. Okay, I'm going to run TSC, TypeScript compiler. Okay, let's see. Yep. Yeah, see it. And it's still there. Works as expected. As expected. Let's see what Chad has to say about this. You can do anything if it works. Deja vu. Eyeing this Elon Musk video. Elon Musk, everything you didn't know about is shitty. Not a genius. A bullshiter? Damn. I didn't even know he was sick. Okay, so what else am I going to do now? There's something else I could clean up here. Let's keep doing this while we're at it. So now, let's do the piano bar. Class piano bar. Right? That's some good stuff. So what here can we put into the piano bar? So we're probably going to have another constructor that passes. God, that's loud. The piano roll. I guess it's just what we're doing now. Fuck it. That seems like a good way of going about it, honestly. This might actually be a good pattern I should use more often. Okay, piano bar, piano bar, piano bar. So, obviously piano bar. So, piano bar frame. Okay. Just remove these as we go. Then piano bar. I guess that's really it for the piano bar, isn't it? There's piano bar width, but I'm going to keep... I guess I should put information where it belongs, right? Yeah. So it's the quality of the piano bar. It should probably be with it. It seems like it's just going to... I'm lazy. I don't want to refactor. That's really what it is. I'm just lazy. Whatever. I'm just going to keep it like that for now. Whatever. I don't give a shit. Fuck you. Okay. Yeah. Piano bar, whatever. Oh, people are blasting demon music as they fly by. Okay, so piano bar. Boom. What did I do for the other one? It was just, oh yeah, this stop piano. Yeah, I should do that. Yeah. You know, bar frame. Me. I'd do this a lot quicker if I wasn't stoned. Oh well. Alright. Piano bar. There we go. Is that it? I guess I have to copy them now. Boom. Then I'm gonna have to do the things. This is pretty fun. This is a pretty nice activity. You know, I'm doing things. It's moving the project along. I know exactly what I have to do. This dot piano roll dot time bar height. This dot is it? Yeah. Piano roll dot frame height. This dot piano roll dot whole frame dot append. Okay. Yeah, I'm already starting to get more ideas about how I'm going to restructure all this now that I'm getting it moving along. That is how it tends to go. Okay, yeah. I think I could get this code real snazzy. Oh god, this is gross. It's fucking gross, dude. This fucking piano bar is gross, dude. This fucking piano bar is gross, dude. Fuck, dude. I want to collapse everything, dude. Oh. Alright, so I guess this will be like create piano bar, this dot piano bar equals new piano bar this. Yeah, that's a nice pattern. So did I already do piano bar? No. Piano bar. Yeah, that's real neat and clean. I like that. You have the playhead, you have the piano bar, you have the note grid. You just name the different parts of the thing and break it down into more and more parts. I like that. That's why I like object-oriented programming. It's just really neat for organizing things. Yeah. I mean, it depends on what you're trying to organize. It's really neat when you're organizing class, like object-oriented programming with classes seems to be really neat when organizing things that are hierarchical. Yeah, very good with hierarchies. All right, anyways, piano bar, boom, boom. And I did this dot piano bar equals new piano bar. Okay. Do I have any stuff I need to fix? It looks like there is. Yeah. Okay. Did I not? Yeah, I forgot to do that. Alright. This dot piano bar height. This dot. Here we go with the piano rolls again. This dot piano roll dot canvas bar web. Time to paste a bunch of piano rolls. Oh, that's a lot of text. It's a lot of text. Piano bar frame. Yep. This dot piano bar. Okay. This is good. This is good so far. So, got the piano bar working, it seems. Well, only one way to find out, right? Wait, well, it's saying I still have some errors. So piano roll has... Oh, I didn't even do that? Oops. So this dot piano roll goes piano... Wait, no. There we go. So what is this? Piano bar frame does not exist. On type. Oh, doy. And I can already see how I'm going to rename stuff. Like, instead of saying piano bar frame now, I'm just going to say frame. In fact, all of these classes are just going to have a frame attribute, I think. Or at least most of them. Like frame. Let's try and start doing that. I should probably wait, actually, but whatever. I guess I'm doing this now. It's just going to make it easier to refer to them. Easier to read. Frame. So we're just going to say... I'm just going to say draw frame. Piano bar frame? Yeah, you know what? That's nice and descriptive. That's fine. Okay, yep, so this is just frame. Just, yeah. Uh-oh, I didn't want to do that. Yeah, maybe not that. Let's see what chat has to say. I like money and sick melodies. Are you outside? Oh, it's that loud, huh? Well, I've got my window almost wide open. It's a real nice day out today. Yeah. It is a nice day out today. I had a nice walk this morning. So these are all just called frame now. Always trying to make the code simpler to read. It always works. Whole frame. See, here's another example. Piano roll should just have a single frame, right? It'd be a lot easier. Whole frame. Yeah, man. I feel like this is just like a much more logical way to build things. Just like encapsulate all the different parts of the GUI in their own classes and whatnot. Yeah, I like this. This is good. This makes the brain happy. Okay, so this dot frame. Yeah, I'd be going like twice as fast if I was sober right now. That's fucked up. That's really fucked up, chat. Let's not think about that right now. Let's not think about that right now. Let's avoid thinking about that. Hee hee hee. Okay, so is that it? Am I I renamed the thing frame. Ah, see, I shouldn't have done that. I was in the middle of something else. I already forgot what I was doing. Look, you make the new piano bar. The transport thing, is this okay? What is this? The toggle, whatever? What the fuck? I don't even, what's going on? You know, it's like, who am I? Time bar? Like, what the hell? Sync scrolling is where the problem was. Right? Right? Wait, what line is that? Piano bar frame? That's why. Okay. I'm starting to remember prehistory. Alright, time bar frame. What's going on here? We're going to do piano bar dot frame. See, that makes a lot more sense. Piano bar dot frame. Yeah, instead of piano bar frame. Boom. Oh, F dot, yeah. Alright, okay. I think I should be able to actually compile this now. Okay. And it seems to be working just fine. Yeah. Would you look at that? Got the piano bar frame. It's synchronized with the note grid. We are good to go. Another thing, feature I want to add is like click dragging. So like just because I don't know. I mean, I also want to add scroll bars. Using the built-in scroll bar is kind of annoying because a lot of browsers, especially on Windows, it seems, create these scroll bar gutters that mess up the alignment between frames that I have going on here. Because, like, I make it look like these are all like one element because they're scrolling at the same time. But this is a whole different frame over here, a whole different div. Yeah. Let's see what chat has to say about that. Oh, nothing? It's because you hate me. Fuck you. Sorry, I get like this sometimes. Okay, so note set, frame width, frame height. Oh, I still have to... There's a lot I have to do with this project. Yeah. It'll be satisfying, though, once I have most of the features in. Okay, playhead, time bar, transport, this. You know, this stuff drives me crazy. So I think we're going to go ahead and do time bar now. Time bar, time bar. So let's go ahead and get that going here. So class time bar, constructor, and we'll do piano roll. I'll keep doing this until I don't have to. What's another thing? Time bar frame. HTML div. Just time bar. Yeah. So maybe instead of naming them like this is another thing. I keep thinking of better ways to name these. Well, first of all, I'm just doing frame, like I said. But maybe it's like with the piano bar, for example, instead of calling this piano bar, because I don't want to, because that would mean that whenever I refer to the canvas, I would say piano bar dot piano bar, and that's no. So we're just calling it canvas. We're just calling it canvas. That makes sense to me. Canvas is kind of weird. So I've been trying to figure out like what references I do and don't want to store. And with Canvas, it's kind of weird because to actually draw, you have to then get a reference to the 2D rendering context. So I would have to say canvas.get context and then use the argument 2D as a string. And then using that object, the rendering context or whatever, that's what I actually call the methods on that do the drawing. So it's like, do I store a reference to that in the object? You know? It's like, I don't know, man. And if that's the case, it's like, which objects should I keep references of in the state of the parent object and why? Like, do I need to store a reference to the canvas in the actual class, or can I just like create a temporary reference in like a variable in the middle of one of the methods. And because I don't know, man. I don't know. It's weird. It's scary. Everybody's panicking. This chat is way too... You guys should be sending like 60 messages a minute. I think that would be really good. Like maybe 60 messages a minute. You know, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe like 3,600 messages an hour. Do you guys think you can do that? 3,600 messages an hour? Just let me know, you know. Because if you can do that, then that would actually be really beneficial to everybody. We would all start being really happy, you know. So yeah, I'm just going to rename this Canvas because that just makes way more sense to me. And here's another question, actually. Now that I'm really thinking about it, it's like, do I even need a reference to any of this? Like, do I? Like, maybe, do I actively currently use references to the canvas, for example? Like, where do I use the canvas? It's in here when I'm drawing, right? But the thing is, this isn't an animation. It doesn't update, right? At least not right now. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I actually need a reference to the canvas. I don't know. That's another thing I'm trying to learn with object-oriented programming, is learning to like identify, like, I don't need to store the state of that. Like, I don't need to hold a reference to that in memory. And this is another example. I don't think I actually need that. I think what I can do here is... what is this? So I say piano bar equals blah, blah, blah. So, I mean, really what I can do here, so piano bar, what I can do is, let's just say var piano, or I could just say var canvas equals, or you could say HTML canvas element equals, what is it? Yep. So I could do that, right? And then instead of this dot piano bar, I could just say canvas.id, canvas.style, canvas.height, this dot piano roll, yeah. And then piano bar. Yeah, I could really just do that instead. That way I don't even have to store the canvas in the object, which I might change if I decide that that's necessary. But if it's not necessary, then like, why? So I could just append canvas. So then the canvas is appended to the HTML. I'm just not storing that in memory, like a reference to that in memory, I should say. So this dot frame dot append canvas. Yeah, that makes sense. Man, that reads a lot simpler too, though. Like this dot frame dot append canvas. I'm adding the canvas to the frame. Let's see what chat has to say about that. I eat flies. That's actually really euphoric. Balsamic Row says, "Are you driving?" No. And then says, "I'm afraid of falling out of your window." That's really weird. XM64 says, "Let me set up the bot. Hold on. That's really scary." Okay. So I guess I've changed that up. So draw piano bar, that is a good name for it. Create, I guess I just want to call it create frame. You know what? Because it's used internally anyways. It doesn't have to identify itself. That's redundant for an internal use only method, a private method, to be like, oh, I'm a piano bar. It's like, it doesn't need to say that, like, obviously. And this could just be draw, right? So this could just say create frame and draw. Because that's what it's doing. Yeah. So this is like a much cleaner class. You have the reference to the piano roll and you have the frame. And the frame is important. Unlike the canvas, I have a very clear argument for why I should be storing the frame in memory, which is that makes it so other parts of the piano roll can refer to that. Although now I'm wondering, no, that I can see that being potentially a lot more use cases for like referring to that. Yeah, than referring to like the canvas for something that doesn't change. Might change in the future. But right now the piano bar is just staying as is. Okay, I have a lot of errors now. This dot. Oh, yeah, I forgot to delete that. The frame is referred to. Okay. Oh, geez. Okay. Piano roll. Oh, oops. Well, that's just because I haven't even written any of this yet, but whatever. I'll just start writing stuff. Piano roll. Then this dot piano roll equals piano roll frame. Oh, jeez. Okay, so that's why that's... Okay, anyways, it's time to get working on time bar once more. Okay, so we have piano roll and then we have the frame. We're going to do it like the other one because, again, the time bar doesn't change, so I can keep it really simple in terms of the fields that I use. So here in piano bar, we use piano roll and frame. Here we're doing the same thing, basically. Also, let me... make these comments make more sense too. Might not even really need these comments. It's this is just self-explanatory. You know what? We're just gonna do it like that. That's a lot. It's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This dot piano roll equals piano roll. And this dot frame equals document dot create element div. Yeah, okay. Alright, so what am I copying here? So time bar frame, yep. Create time bar. Okay, so what we're really gonna do here is time bar equals new time bar this. But we're gonna do that too. So we're also gonna have wait, what the fuck? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. I don't know if it's going to be quite like how the piano bar is done, but we'll see. See what chat has to say about this. Have you set up the bot yet? You said you were going to set up a bot? What bot? What bot are you setting up? What's going on here? Okay, this dot frame equals blah blah blah. You know, all these symbols, they kind of dance around my head like mad demons. They're very terrifying, you know. It makes me want to cry when I program. It's very scary. It's very fucking scary. Okay, so guess the way we're gonna do it, here's create frame. So this dot frame dot ID. Yeah, it's gonna just be a lot of that. I need to figure out how to do multi-line selections. Yeah. So this dot frame. So we're doing this dot piano roll dot whole frame dot append. Here we go with the piano roll dots. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Okay, so we got that one. Now for the time bar one. So how is this one done? Okay. So this one is going to be draw. Okay, here we go. Time bar. Gotta delete that. Yeah, I guess those cars are pretty loud, aren't they? Okay, piano bar, time bar. Okay, so the canvas, I do the same thing as before. This is getting a lot better. Yeah, this is getting a lot better. Okay, what do I do here? Nope. Let's not do that. Okay, so we're gonna say var canvas HTML canvas element equals document dot create element by ID. No, not by ID. Canvas. Okay. And then we copy paste the word canvas. Boing. 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 Then we copy paste the word piano roll dot over and over and over. Time bar height. Let time label equal blah blah blah. Piano roll dot, piano roll dot, piano roll dot. This dot frame append time label. And then this dot frame dot append canvas. Yeah, that sounds right. Okay. Do I even need that? Whatever. I'll keep it for now. I might redo the playhead the same way, actually. Yes, I am going to redo the playhead the same way, because this really simplifies the code, like passing on a reference to the parent, like that. Like, that makes things a lot simpler. Might as well. Okay, there's all the transport stuff. Still haven't worked that out yet. I guess that's the next thing I'll refactor. Oh, I created transport twice. Interesting. Maybe that's part of the glitch I was having. Maybe I just made that error. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Wow. So what errors do we have? Draw this out. Yeah. Oh wait, no. Piano. Dot piano roll. Okay, there we go. Time bar height. Time bar frame, so we can get rid of that. Get rid of that. Time bar dot frame. Gonna have to change that one too, because I want that to say note grid dot frame. Yeah, get a regular little scheme going on here. Make it easier to read. Let's go ahead and fix note grid while we're at it. A lot of refactoring. Okay, so so note grid. I think note grid is going to need the same treatment. Figure out what I don't need to store, what I do need to store, and what I don't need to store. The backdrop doesn't change. The backdrop as it currently is just stays the same, and I can't imagine why it wouldn't. So backdrop, I'm not going to store. Frame, yes, of course. For now, like I am with everything else. Note grid. I don't know. What do I want to do? So note grid is something that will change. The buttons definitely I want to be dynamic in the way I'm going. Originally this was just going to be a display widget, but it'd be good to make it interactive because why not? Why not? More fun to be had. So draw backdrop, I think I will keep as is. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So we'll say this dot frame. Okay, yeah, do the same thing, same tedious bullshit. There is a way to edit multiple lines. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and... I still have a stinky boner. I know. So what does it sound like? It's almost ready. It's almost making sounds. Sounds like this. Hold on. Listen to this. Doesn't that sound amazing? Sounds really fucking good. So we're renaming all this. I was about to look up multi-line editing, but the problem with kids these days is that nobody wants to work. And I want to show that I'm actually, I'm a Zoomer who wants to work. Because I care about God and my country. I should change this as well. That should also have frame. No, I'm keeping that same for now. Okay, what am I doing here? What am I doing? This dot frame? Yes. That is how I want that. Oh, what else? Backdrop ID, backdrop. Oh yeah, fuck. What is this? Get out of my way. Do the var canvas HTML canvas equals document dot create element canvas. So we made our canvas. So now we're going to replace this dot backdrop with canvas because we're not storing it. Don't really need to. Okay. There we go. Do I use that again, or is there any more of this dot? Yeah. Canvas dot width. Append canvas. This dot frame. Oh, another one. Canvas. There we go. Okay, getting better. No, another one. Canvas. Oh, this dot frame. Note grid. Oh, now we have to rename all these references to it. Already a lot easier to read. I believe. Handlebar frame, notes frame. Just calling it frame. Oh yeah. This dot time bar dot frame. Node grid dot frame. At least it's telling me where all the bullshit is. So I could fix it quickly. Node grid dot frame. Yeah, this is looking so much better. Yeah. Frame. All right. Okay, let's see if it works same as before. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. Let's see what Chad has to say. Do you use CSS global variables? No, I don't. I do not use CSS global variables. I need to learn about those. I still haven't. I know how to use them because I've seen them used in examples. You have to say like var and then in parentheses the name of the variable, something like that. But yeah, I have not been using those, not yet at least. I may find a use yet. Okay, so create frame. I'm gonna go ahead and rename this frame instead of whole frame. That's like, what is this, fucking Whole Foods? Fuck, that's funny. Okay, this dot frame, a lot of stuff about frames. I like framing things. Where's the, there we go. So okay, so frame, we're gonna put this towards the top. This has horrid organization right now. Put all the frame stuff together. Got the notes set. We'll put playing closer to the top, I guess. BPM. Whatever, is still pretty cluttered. Piano bar, time bar, note grid, time bar height, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this is looking pretty good so far. I mean, it's still fucking ugly, but it's looking better than before is what I mean. No set. Okay, so now I call this frame. We'll say just create frame. Refactoring isn't the most exciting part of programming, but it does feel really good. Feels good to make things easier to read and think about because it makes me want to like build on it more. The less I refactor things, the less that I want to work on them over time because they just become so like stressful to think about and like reason about when they really don't have to be. So am I sexual now? Is this perfect? Am I perfect? Am I just perfect now? Did I do I have the right things going on here? So these still say whole frame. I need to change that at least. So I did that in time bar. Doing it here as well. Okay. Yeah. Forgot to look at the errors. It says it right there. This dot frame. Okay. It renders fine. Rendering my code. Why aren't you using Sass? I don't like Sass. I'm trolling. Oh, what the heck? You freaking trolled me. That was really scary. What the hell? That was weird. Wait, you were trolling me? Oh, cool. Weird. What am I looking at here? This still doesn't work. There's a button right here and it's just not working. Making me mad. Oh well. All right, so the code has better organization now. It still has a way to go. Now I want to make a transport object. That'd be nice. I want to clean up the playhead object a little more too. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's do that. That's the next thing we're doing here. Just keeping it going. Trying to get some work done on this. Note. No, oh, note selection. That's another thing I want to add, but hold on, one thing at a time. Okay. Piano, time bar, note grid is fucking. Let's do the playhead. It's the one that's down here. Should I? How should I order the classes? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. All right. Start playing Boolean. Rendering. Oh, okay. That does make sense. I'd sort. Okay, so like storing the canvas rendering context in the object, that makes sense because it gets referenced a lot in different method calls. So like that's a situation. If you're like accessing a piece of information across different methods, then like that's something that you want to store in the state of the object. So keeping that there. The canvas though, like when am I referencing the canvas? I'm not sure I really want to be doing that. And what do we have going on here? Width, height, parameter. So I feel like I actually don't really need to pass that information on. I don't think so. I don't think so. Am I doing that with the other ones? They have time bar. Like, no, it's just passing the piano roll. Yeah. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to do it the same for the playhead. Yeah, I'm just going to pass in the piano roll, the parent object, as a parameter. Okay, I don't need that either. Yeah, see, that makes things so much simpler. All the child objects just having a reference to the parent. That's all you need to pass over. Then you could just use that reference for all the data that you want to know. Start number. So what is that? Let's make it more descriptive. Instead of start, let's do start time. So we could put playing at the beginning. Well, at the beginning we're going to put the piano roll reference. There we go. Beat width, don't need to know that. Start time. Head position. Be nice and descriptive. Let's say head pause. Piece of shit. Head piece of shit. Playtime. Was it? Oh, the time that the play was pressed. Yeah, okay. Playtime. Goofy ass name. Okay, start 0, playing equals false. I'm so fucking anal about everything. I'm like, oh, I ordered them this way at the top of the class, so I have to order them this way down here. Yes. This dot piano roll equals piano roll. The piano roll is a piano roll. Let's see what the chat has to say about this. Okay, good. Nobody said anything. All right, so start equals 0. Oh, we're doing start time, actually. Beat width, nope. Head pause equals 0. Okay, so the canvas thing, it's like, do I actually need to do that on here? I don't think so. I really don't think so. Because here's what I think I could do. I could be like, well, what am I doing? Hold on. The canvas. Where does the canvas actually get? Update. Where does it get attached? Because we have the playhead. Oh, I remember now. It's in the piano roll class. Yeah, see, this dot note grid dot frame dot append. That's one of the things I was going to change. So first of all, I can change this call now to the constructor. Just say this. This dot note grid dot frame dot append. Yeah, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm just going to call the constructor over here. Okay. What am I doing? Where am I? I keep forgetting everything every 5 seconds. Okay, oh god damn it, I was just over here. Okay, playhead. Alright. Draw. Yeah. Am I not making them private anymore? Whatever. Okay, let's see what chat has to say about this. Thanks. More playtime, please. That's what pleading sounds like. That's what it sounds like when I plead sexually. When I'm sexually pleading. Oh, what the hell? Hold on, I got a text message. New options have been introduced in your area. Wow. I have new options now. Okay, playtime, canvas. So what's the... So I guess I have to attach it now. So I have to say like this dot... Oh, what am I doing? This dot piano roll. Yeah. This dot piano roll dot frame dot append canvas, right? Yes. This should be broken up. So I need to have like this dot. We're gonna be like, how am I gonna do this? I'm not creating any frames. I'm trying to decide what I want to call this method. I'm just gonna call it what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? So draw head. Let me just write a description of it first to help organize my thoughts. I have like squirrel brain. It's really hard for me to think. Hold on. It's almost come to me. It's going to be the genius perfect thought that makes everything better. This is going to be so fucking genius. This is going to make everything fucking perfect, and I'm fucking terrified, dude. I'm fucking terrified. Okay. Create canvases for note grid and time bar. Attach them to the frames. Yeah. Okay, so we would say like var note canvas. Yeah, whatever. Oh, this is kind of tricky, isn't it? Not really. I'm making it more tricky than it has to be. So what am I doing? I don't... So like this draw head function is going to be called like 60 times a second. I think. No, play is, right? What is update? Update is going to be called that much. Okay, so yeah, the update thing, it's going to be called a bunch, and it's going to be calling draw head, and draw head is going to be, it's still going to be called 60 times a second. So I don't want to have to create any variables in that time. I mean, I guess I'm not really like creating a bunch of data. All I'm doing is like making a little pointer. Whatever. I'm thinking about this way too much. Let's see what chat has to say about that. Oh, it's Jonah referring to the brain. Brains are very fucking terrifying. Brains are really fucking scary, guys. Can we cut down on the brain chat in the chat? Thank you so much, guys. Brains are really fucking terrifying. Brains are really scary. So, I guess what I can do... Okay, so I actually don't know if creating a pointer to a rendering context 60 times a second would be at all a performance hit. So I'm not sure if I should really be thinking about this much. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and call this note context. No. I'm so overthinking everything. Note CTX times CTX. So these are the drawing contexts for 2 different frames. Yep. Okay. So I guess I'm not storing the canvas. I don't really need to know that, do I? Not really. Yeah. Okay. So this dot update. This dot draw head. This dot canvas width. This dot canvas height. So the way I could do this is like this dot. Oh, fuck, what am I doing? What am I doing? So I'm clearing the entire. So piano roll dot. Attach them to the frames. I need to take a break. That's what I need to do. I'm making harsh noise out of this. That's really scary. Help! Help! I'm stuck in a harsh noise song. Help! This song is freaking abrasive. What the hell? How come this sounds so weird? Oh, weird. I sound crazy like this. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be like, draw on note grid, and then we're gonna have another one that says draw on time bar. Yeah. Okay. So this is note grid dot. So wait, do I pass reference to how big the note grid is? Actually, no. Canvas width. That's what I need. That's what I needed. I figured out the mystery of the mind. I figured out the mystery of the mind. I figured out the mystery of the mind. I can't believe I figured out the mystery of the mind. I can't believe I figured out the mystery of the mind. All right. So what am I doing here? I guess I could do a create canvases, whatever the fuck thing, right? Yeah, I'll do something like that. It'd make this easier to read. I like breaking things into smaller things. Create canvases. Come on, make them more private. I need to make things more private. Let's privatize. No, I actually don't like that. Help me! Help me! Help me! Okay, so I have to do this in here. I don't... You know what, whatever. Don't think of it too hard. Don't think of it too hard, Josiah. God damn. Don't fucking think of it too hard. Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking Christ. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Don't fucking think about it too hard. Oh my fucking God. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my fucking God. Oh, Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, Jesus. You know what I mean, though? Fellas. Ladies. Fellas, ladies, ease. Fellas, ladies, ease. Fellas, Ellis. Ladies. Oh, I just realized. Wait a minute. I just thought of a much better way of doing all this. But it's a whole can of worms. Let's see what chat has to say about that. Still making harsh noise out of this. Okay. Drop down to 2 viewers. That's really freaking scary. I don't understand why this doesn't have like at least 200 viewers. Because this is like, this is athletic. This is like an athletic performance, you know, that I'm putting on right now. It's like an athletic performance, and it deserves to be recognized as such. It deserves to be recognized. So note canvas.width equals width. What's going on here? This dot roll dot canvas width. Yeah, that's the ticket. Programming is very, very extremely extreme. And a lot of people don't even recognize this, which is utterly, utterly, utterly terrifying. Utterly terrifying, you guys. You know, so please don't forget to click like. Please don't forget to click like, you guys. Like, I'm serious. If you forget, oh my god. If you forget to click like, I'm going hyper hell mode. Like, that's it. From that point on, I'm just going hyper hell mode. Like, I don't even care, bro. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, I don't even care, dude. I don't want to, I don't want it to have to get that way, you know. Head pause. Start time. Play time. Let's see what chat has to say. Oh, nothing? Oh, okay. Okay, this is looking good so far, you guys. I'm actually very confident about this. So, playtime, this dot piano roll dot beat width. That elapse equal now. Playtime, playing. This dot update. Piano roll. Yeah, there we go. Okay. This is better, I think. I think it's better. Has no... Oh, we'll just comment that out for now. Canvas, didn't I? Oh, note canvas. Draw ahead. Oh, okay. Note context. Yep. Head pause. This dot piano roll dot canvas width. What's going on here? So canvas width, yes. Okay, it looks like that's fine. Compile. Ooh, it's TypeScript. Is there an algorithm? Oh god, no. No, I don't fuck with algorithms. The problem with algorithms is that they're just wrong. They're just wrong. Why is there... What the fuck is going on? Why is there a white line? What the fuck? Okay, I did something. I did something silly. This isn't right. Let's see what it looks like in the inspector. Playhead. Oh, I've got a playhead in the piano roll frame? That's not right. So what did I write? I wrote something fucked up and crazy and weird and crazy and fucked up and weird. You know what I mean? And weird. And it was crazy. And everybody was screaming, I love you. The end. So let's look in here when it actually... Piano roll dot frame. Well, there's your problem. Note grid. We're attaching it to the note grid because it's the note canvas. Oh, chat. Okay, that's still broken. I didn't compile it, that's why. That's something I'm getting used to with TypeScript. You have to fucking compile. It's like, what the hell? How's that even possible? Okay. All right. Another thing about refactoring is that nothing changes. Ideally, that's the ideal, is that you're not actually changing how it functions, just how it's organized, structured. All right, so that's good, man. Yeah. So what do we got so far? We've got our playlist head thing, playlist head. All right, yeah, this is really great. Very good. Got my create frame function. That should probably be towards the top, right? Create frame. Yeah. Create frame. All right, yeah. That's logical. Piano roll frame. Absolute. Might as well just call it piano roll, right? Just gonna call it piano roll. That makes more sense to me. Okay, so we have create frame. Oh, what are we doing? What are we doing here? It's definitely looking better than before. Well, actually, I can go ahead and check. Is there a piano? No. I really detest pianos. Pianos are bad for you. Pianos are really fucking bad for you. They're really fucking bad for you. Let's see what I want to see what this class looked like at the beginning. Oh God. Oh God, that is night and day, actually. Holy cow. Oh wait, no, I was looking at the wrong place. It's still a lot better. It's still a lot better, and this is gonna get cut down even more. There are more ways for me to better organize this, but this is already a lot better though. I've got the playhead. Piano roll class is still looking too chunky, but got the playhead, got the time bar, got the piano bar, and I've got the note grid, got the note. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is looking good, man. Getting better, getting better. What am I doing? Have I could still clean it up more. That's going to be like that's kind of the eternal to-do list item with programming projects, isn't it? Like cleaning things up. Hopefully. Ideally, it's something that happens sometimes. Yummy. I love freaking water. Sorry for cursing. Okay. Yeah, there's still a lot of stuff that I have not implemented. I kind of want to just keep cleaning up. Transport, for example, I think there should be a transport class. Let's class transport. Okay. So now we have a transport class. So how are we going to do this? Piano roll. This is like just what I do now, I guess. Frame. Oh, wait. I should be more particular. I guess. Yeah. Is that how I'm doing it? Yeah. Yeah, fuck it. This feels like I'm just following muscle memory and I shouldn't. Oh well. Alright, create the entire frame. Boom, boom. Transport. So transport canvas. View button. So what am I talking about when I say transport? I'm talking about, oh, hold on. I know clean. I'm not clean. That's really scary. That's really scary. Sorry if I'm scaring you right now, but that's really scary. Like, that's actually really scary right now. I love to have fun. Sorry if that's scary right now. Yeah, this is the transport control. It's literally just going to be a button that's in either that either shows the play button when it's stopped or the stop button when it's playing. Like ideally, right now with it playing, it should be showing the stop button. But nope. Nope, it's not. It's scary. It's scary. I literally don't understand why. But I want to clean it up first at least. So what is it actually doing? Let me actually follow this on here. So this.transport canvas, it's creating a canvas. It's creating the canvas context. Confusing names right here. Transport canvas, transport view, transport button. Okay, transport button makes sense. It's a button. That goes on to create transport. Does a bunch of stuff in here. What do I want to do? Again, it's that question of like, what am I actually going to hold references to? Maybe I could just by default hold too many references. Yeah, that might be fun. Wait, what am I doing in the playhead again? Because this is an example of something that doesn't have a frame. Yeah, I don't need a frame. I just need a... Just call it CTX for context. I don't care. Rendering... Alright, canvas... Rendering context 2D. Yeah. And then, fuck it, we'll have button. I like button. So let's get our constructor. What are we doing? Piano roll. Piano roll, as usual. Oh, what? No. Piano roll. Piano roll, piano roll, piano roll, piano roll. Okay, so now we're gonna do that fucked up thing that makes people go insane all the time, for some reason, and we're going to go insane. So we're gonna say var canvas HTML canvas element equals document dot create element canvas. Sorry for all the noise. I'm outside right now. I'm in the middle of my street. Cars keep having to swerve around me. It's actually really fucking funny. I'm actually going fucking insane right now. Okay, so let's see what I want to do. The button. So we're going to just say this dot button equals document dot create element button. Make us a button here. We're going to say this dot ctx equals canvas dot get context 2D. Yeah. Let's see what chat has to say about this. I feel like some exciting stuff is happening right now on the stream. Also, by the way, I hate the word transport. It's so vague, so useless, worthless word. Yeah, transport controls, because it's like, what am I, on a fucking bus? Yeah, it is kind of weird. Yeah, transport. Because it's like, who am I, a bus driver? Like, what am I? What is this, beep beep? Are we beep beeping right now? Is that what's going on? Like, what am I? My fucking mother-in-law? You know, it like makes me really... So I permanently understand. I'm sorry if I'm making too much sense, by the way. I'm in therapy now. Okay, so we have our context, we have our button. What else were we doing about this? This part, so we go here. We're just, you know what, we're gonna copy paste all of this. All of this fucking shit. All of this. And I really do mean all of this. So we're going to do this dot piano roll dot frame dot append transport button. Canvas. Oh, jeez. Once again, I need that multi-line editing, but I'm too lazy to Google. I'm an idiot. It's true. This dot piano roll dot piano bar width. This dot piano. Yeah, now that I'm thinking about it, like now that I'm passing around all these references, I need to move a lot of these fields to their respective objects, classes, whatever. Okay. Canvas.width, top, blah, blah, blah. This dot, well, it's going to be called button, not transport button. This dot button. Button. This is the exciting part. Sorry for that honking sound. I'm in my car right now. Sorry, I'm driving right now. I'm on the highway. Okay, this dot toggle bind. There we go with this again. With all these damn piano roll dots. Okay. Is this what I want? I don't know. Time control. Like what? I don't need an ID for that. I don't need an ID for that. Is this am I doing this right? Draw play. I don't know what's going on here. Button. Dot append canvas. Yeah, these names are a lot better. This dot button. Okay. Is that... yeah? Is that what I'm... okay. So draw... now I guess I just need those other functions. Let's see what chat has to say about that. You're scaring me. That's scary. Wow. Yeah, I'm very verbose. I'm very Boolean. I go insane. I don't know if I've talked about this before, but I go hyper insane. I don't know if you've heard of hyper insanity, but it's a lot. It's very, so if you've gone insane before, then it'll be familiar, but hyper insanity is more, it's more interesting, you know? It's like more, ooh, like, oh, you know? Like, have you ever had that happen where you're like, oh, yeah. Yeah, it's like that. I don't know. I like hyper insanity. Hyper insanity is, it's cool if you've gone insane a lot already and you're looking for something new. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if you're looking for something new, you know, go for hyper insanity. Go for hyper insanity, because I think you'll find that hyper insanity is, in a sense, the kind of thing that makes someone a good person, right? So they talk about this in Christian theology. No, really. Hyper insanity. I am Slavoj Žižek. I've been working on my Slavoj Žižek impression. I am Slavoj Žižek and I really know what it means to be hyper insane. Okay, what do I mean by this? You know, it's gotten really good. It has actually gotten really fucking good. Oh, I guess I don't need to write that there. Okay, CTX, fill style, black. What are we doing here? We have the context. This dot piano roll dot. The point. The point is that hyper insanity is really not good. It was a joke when I said that it was advanced and so on. No, really. No, really. Okay, this dot piano roll, piano bar width. I'm gonna be changing all these real soon. Just trying not to give myself too much work at once. Gotta be saying this dot CTX for all. Whoa. For all of these. There we go. Ay, ay, ay. Not very good with the keyboard there. Let's see what chat has to say about these most recent changes. Oh, nothing? Oh, nobody's watching right now? That's fine. That's okay. That actually helps me become genius. I become genius when nobody's looking. So this is actually really good news for me. Now I can become really hyper genius. Okay, so now I guess I can just transport. Okay, so now I can be like this dot transport equals new transport this toggle. Okay, I mean, I guess that's everything, right? That's looking better. That was a good chunk of things. I can cut this down even more now that I'm looking at it. Some of these variables do not need to be there. This dot frame. Yeah, this dot transport. Okay, scroll to first note. Got some scrolling things going on there. Okay, so what am I doing here? Wow, I've really cut down on those methods though, huh? Just need to cut down on these getters. That's too many. It's way too many. I think I might make a note set object for all that stuff. I think that'll help. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Feeling good about this so far. Is that even used at all? Okay, so what am I doing? Is that... Oh, yeah. So some of these I don't need. Frame, yes. Frame width, yes. So BPM number. So I feel like BPM should be a transport control, maybe? We'll just keep that the way it is for now, actually. So beat width is kind of a weird one. Beat width and note height, I think... Will I keep that how it is? Maybe I will. Those do seem like settings that would be a part of the overall piano roll. What you specify is the beat width and the note height, because it affects multiple different components. So, yeah, I'll keep that there. Now, piano bar width, I think I can go ahead and make that a part of the piano bar. Right? I'm just going to call that width. So instead of this dot piano bar, piano roll dot piano bar width, I'm just going to say this dot width. So yeah, that's so much simpler. Okay. Roll frame, this frame seems good so far. Any other piano, blah, blah, blah. This dot width. this dot piano bar dot width. So we'll just initialize that to 30. That's what I've been using. So we can remove that from there. Wait, what else are we looking at here? This dot width. Piano bar dot width. Piano bar dot width. Yeah, see, that just reads so much better. Piano roll, piano bar dot width. I like me a good hierarchy sometimes. Yeah. There we go. Now we can do the same thing with time bar. Yeah. So time bar can have a height. You can default it to 30 as well. Time bar height. Yeah, this is already looking so much better, man. God damn. Refactoring is a good time, I tell you. Let's see what chat has to say about that. Really is good. Say really again. Have you ever been... Oh, the Zizek. Really? No, really. You know, it's something very interesting that is going on. The Lacanian subject is pushed through no, really. Oh, look at it. That's a pervert Zizek. It's one of the cast and crew of the world, the wonderful, colorful world of Zizeks. It's my new HBO documentary. The wonderful, new, colorful world of Zizeks. Okay, time bar dot height. What are we doing here? We're just going through all these? Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Time bar height. Time bar dot height. No, we're just doing this dot height. Yeah. Yeah. We're doing another this dot. Hey. This dot height. This to hide. Oh my god. Oh fuck, I'm a fucking fuck. I shit my dick. God fucking shit, bitch. I shit my dick. And more time bar stuff. What's with all this time bar stuff? It's like time bar this, time bar that. Like, get over yourself, man. Like, what's with you? You know what I mean? It's like, come on. Reclaim your weekend. Transport? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, what's going on? Oh, my God. This is all such a huge inconvenience to me. It's really fucking annoying. Okay. Time bar dot height. All right. So is that good? Will that compile? We good? Yes. It's literally so accurate, it is eerie. I've been practicing it a lot over the past year. Just watching videos of him and speaking at the same time, trying to get all the different sounds right. Yeah. But that's one of my favorite parts. Really? The point? I like the way he said the point. The way he does P's and B's, it's kind of bouncy almost. The point. Almost, I feel like I'm doing it too Scandinavian sounding. I don't know. Whatever. All right. Oh, this doesn't render. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, I fucked something up. This.piano bar is undefined. What? What? 256 it says? What? What is that? Oh, no. I'm not. What? This.piano bar. Wait, what is it? Why does it say 256? Transport. Okay, so it's in the transport. Okay, it's where I am right now. So it doesn't know what that is? It knows what piano roll is, right? Oh, I probably... Oh, God. Do I have to, like, bind something? Is that what's going on here? Why would it throw that error? Hinga dinga durgan. Or like as Zizek, Hinga dinga durgan. Oh, you know, my God. Oh. I am. I actually have no idea what's going on right here. Piano roll. So before it's in piano roll, where it's like new transport this. What is going on? I don't understand. Hinga dinga durgan. Hinga dinga 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 durgan. I don't know what the fuck to do, dude. I don't know why this isn't working. Why wouldn't that reference work? Piano roll. Piano bar. Width. There is a piano bar dot width, right? Look, piano bar. Look, width. I don't... Why the fuck? Because this seems like a binding thing. Fellas. No. I don't know, dude. Like, why the fuck? What doesn't it know the reference? It's undefined. So what that says to me, based on my experience so far, is that at some point, a reference isn't being passed. So I'm saying in, what is it? Piano roll. Okay, we have the time bar. What is it? Piano bar. Sorry. Wait, is that even the right one? Wasn't it transport where the glitch was happening or whatever? Oh God, I don't even know where it is now. Ah, there it is. Okay. So that's where I'm very confused. So it's called transport because that's the first one that it goes to. Okay, well, what about if it doesn't? Wait, I have to go to transport, comment these out, run this again. Will it give me the same error on another thing? Okay. All right, what's going on here? What is going on here? Okay, so it makes the note grid, and then when it makes First of all, this should just be create frame. Let's go ahead and fix that name. But yes, that is we've got some problems here, that's for sure. Piano bar. Why is... So it's doing the same thing as the other method, which means that there's a more general issue with me passing piano roll. Clearly me passing piano roll isn't working, which is really fucking weird. I screamed laughing. That's awesome. I love that for you. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck. Hold on, I'm gonna have to Google JavaScript bind. Okay, so what does bind do exactly? Is this what I need right now? Causing dysfunction with this keyword. I don't think I need that. So what happens if I say like console.log just piano roll? What happens when I... Oh wait, I have to... It's so annoying. I'm gonna run that every time. Okay, what do we have up here? Well, there it is. It's clearly passing the piano roll object. I see it all right here. That is definitely it. Yep. This is annoying. Okay, well, that narrows it down. So it's getting the piano roll object. So, okay, I should do it over here, though, because it's in this method that it's messing up. So console.log this.piano roll. So is it actually storing the piano roll? Oh, wait, fuck. God damn it. Yeah. Run the thing. And wait, is it still sending? No. Okay. Note grid, note height. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, piano bar. Undefined. Oh. They haven't been created yet. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Okay. So, I mean, let's ignore transport right now. But just with this, it's like... It's saying this.piano roll, but... Bro, it doesn't make... not piano roll, piano bar. Doesn't access piano bar for a fucking while. Oh, man. I didn't think about this. Okay, so how do I do this then? So, I mean, I guess clearly it has to create the piano bar first. Okay, I guess that makes sense, right? Time bar, piano bar, just make those first. This feels weird, though. This feels weird. My spidey senses are tingling and it feels wrong. This feels weird. I don't know. Okay, whatever. Let's see if it works now. This doesn't... This.piano roll.piano bar is undefined. What is happening? Where is this? Time bar? So time bar is making... Oh, these are all making references to one another? That's a weird pattern. How do I fix that? So they're all making references to one another in their constructors. So no matter which one I construct first, it's still going to be like, oh, what about this data from the other one? I hate that. I hate that. That's gross. I mean, I guess I have to store the piano bar width and the whatever the fuck height, the time bar height, and the piano roll. Man, I hate that. That's fucking bullshit, dude. What the fuck? I don't like that. I don't like that. Is there another way for me to do that? I mean, I guess, what is this call? I'm getting a call from the... I just got a call from the number 111-111-1111. What the fuck? That's actually really awesome. That is the coolest fucking number. That's the best number I've ever been called from. Fuck yeah, dude. Alright. Oh, I don't know how to solve this problem. I'm gonna solve it another time. I think this is enough time spent doing this. I've been doing this for like, what? 2 hours, 2.5 hours? Holy shit. Wow. Oh, the chat bar is actually showing now. Would you look at that? I didn't even need to... I didn't need to have that window open. Okay, alright, well, we actually did quite a bit today in terms of refactoring. So I think this is a pretty successful refactoring stream. I mean, I have a new bug now that I don't know how to fix, but making progress. Alright, see ya.